Welcome to Income Mastery, your go-to channel for all finance and investment topics. Today, we'll be discussing 7 best online businesses ideas you can start even as a beginner. So let's get straight into it. Affiliate marketing. First up on the list is affiliate marketing. It is a popular and effective method of making money online with relatively little effort. You don't need experience to start affiliate marketing. You can start it as a beginner. It involves promoting products or services created by others through a unique referral link and earning a commission for each sale that results from the promotion. The commission rates can vary depending on the program and the product or service being promoted. Fortunately, affiliate marketing programs are widely available through platforms such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. These programs offer a broad range of products and services, making it easy for influencers, bloggers, website owners, and other online entrepreneurs to find an affiliate program that aligns with their niche and interests. To maximize earning potential in affiliate marketing, it's essential to select the right program and promote popular seasonal products. Additionally, choosing programs with recurring commissions can create a steady stream of income over time. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and straightforward way to earn money online, with the potential for significant earnings with minimal effort. However, as with any business venture, it's important to approach affiliate marketing with dedication, patience, and hard work. Online coaching. Online coaching is another great way to share your knowledge and skills with others and help them achieve their goals. Whether you're an expert in business, health, fitness, or any other area, you can offer coaching services online to people looking to improve their skills or achieve their objectives. The best thing about online coaching is that you don't necessarily need specific technical expertise. Even if you have a basic understanding of math and English, you can become a coach and provide valuable guidance to others. With the growth of the internet and the increasing demand for online services, online coaching has become a popular and lucrative business venture. You can create your coaching program and deliver it through a range of digital platforms such as video conferencing, online courses, webinars, and more. To become a successful online coach, you need to have a strong understanding of your area of expertise and be able to communicate effectively with your clients. You should also be committed to helping your clients achieve their goals and providing them with the support they need to succeed. Overall, online coaching is an excellent opportunity to share your expertise with others, build a business around your passion, and make a positive impact on people's lives. Blogging. Blogging is a very effective way to share your knowledge and expertise with a wide audience. It is a great way to build your personal brand, establish yourself as an expert in your field, and potentially earn money through various monetization methods. When you start a blog, you can write about anything you have knowledge of, whether it's food, travel, technology, finance, or any other topic that interests you. You can also explore your passion and niche as a blogger and create content that resonates with your audience. There are numerous free resources available online, such as YouTube courses that can teach you the basics of blogging and how to create content that stands out. It's easy to get started, and with time and effort, you can grow your blog and audience to the point where you can monetize it. There are many ways to monetize a blog, including display ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Display ads allow you to earn money by displaying advertisements on your blog. Sponsored content involves creating content for a brand and getting paid for it. We have already explained in detail how affiliate marketing works. Social media management. Next up on the list is social media management. It is a valuable service that businesses are increasingly seeking out to help them establish and maintain their online presence. If you have experience in social media marketing, you can offer your services as a social media manager to these businesses. To become a social media manager, you need to have a solid understanding of the various social media platforms and how to use them to achieve business goals. You should also be able to create engaging content, interact with followers, and measure the effectiveness of your social media campaigns. There are many businesses that do not have the time or expertise to manage their social media presence effectively. As a social media manager, you can offer your services to these businesses and help them improve their online presence, increase their following, and ultimately drive more business. Social media management is a flexible and remote-friendly business opportunity that you can start with minimal investment. All you need is a computer, internet access, and the know-how of social media platforms. You can offer a variety of services as a social media manager, such as creating social media strategies, developing content calendars, managing social media accounts, monitoring social media engagement, and reporting on social media analytics. To succeed as a social media manager, you need to have excellent communication skills, be able to think creatively and strategically, and be up to date on the latest social media trends and best practices. Overall, social media management is an excellent opportunity for anyone with experience in social media marketing to start their own business and help businesses establish a strong online presence. With hard work and dedication, social media management can be a lucrative and fulfilling business venture. Social media marketing. Another social media-related business you can start as a beginner. Starting a business as a social media marketer is relatively easy for beginners due to several factors. Firstly, social media platforms have become ubiquitous in our daily lives, and the vast majority of businesses now recognize the importance of having a social media presence. This has created a significant demand for social media marketing services, making it easier for beginners to find clients. Secondly, the barrier to entry for social media marketing is relatively low. You don't need to have formal qualifications or a significant investment to start a social media marketing business. As long as you have some basic knowledge of social media platforms and digital marketing principles, you can get started. Lastly, there are a plethora of free and low-cost resources available online that can help beginners learn about social media marketing. From free courses and tutorials to online communities and forums, there are many opportunities to upskill and connect with others in the industry. Sell handmade crafts online. One option for those who can produce quality handmade goods is to sell them online through online marketplaces such as Etsy and other similar platforms. This can be a great way to earn money doing something you enjoy from the comfort of your own home. From crocheted blankets to unique painted glassware, if you have a unique craft, there's likely a market for it online. The startup costs for selling handmade crafts online are typically quite low, especially if you purchase your materials in bulk from a craft supplier. If you can produce and sell your artwork quickly on an online store, you can begin earning a profit relatively quickly. Additionally, promoting your business on social media can be an effective way for local artisans to attract customers and increase sales. With low startup costs and the potential for high profits, it's no surprise that many artisans have found success in this business model. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is a business model where you act as a middleman between customers and suppliers, allowing you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Here are some steps to get started with drop shipping as a beginner in 2023. Choose a niche. First, select a niche that you are passionate about and has a high demand in the market. Research your niche and identify the most profitable products to sell. Find a supplier. Look for a reliable supplier who can provide quality products at reasonable prices. You can find suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu. Create an online store. Build an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize your store with a unique brand name, logo, and theme. Select products. Choose the products you want to sell on your online store. Add high-quality product images, descriptions, and prices to attract customers. Market your store. Use digital marketing strategies like SEO, social media, and email marketing to drive traffic to your online store. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers to promote your products. Fulfill orders. When customers place an order on your store, forward the details to your supplier, who will then ship the product directly to the customer. Monitor your progress. Track your sales, revenue, and expenses to evaluate your business performance. Analyze customer feedback and make necessary improvements to grow your business. Starting a drop shipping business requires time, effort, and patience. But with the right approach, you can build a successful online business and generate a significant income. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about websites that will pay you daily, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.